When Rooney declared that he wants to go and play for City, he gets a new contract. Ronaldo walks into the tunnel, the whole world goes crazy. Everybody's bashing him. Everyone is doing that. With the
beauty about all your social media pundits is that you're not Manchester United fan. We say you're talking about Bumbuck like Manchester United, like, shut the fuck up, fam. Pascals was fined for 2 weeks by Alex Ferguson for not playing that game. 2 weeks, but he didn't show up to that game. So, what's your point? That scorpion kick by Eric Cantona, brilliant volley, and it was well deserved. But, however, he was charged by law 150 hours, and he was fined by Manchester United. So the fact that your boy came to the game, sat on the bench, realized that he wasn't going to play, and just walk off if he while his team is winning, no, fam. No. No.